in Italy. We just touched down and now we're taking it. Look at that man come up there. We just touched down in Italy. We are now in a shared taxi to the train station. This is so fun.
Wait 1 hour.
Okay, so we're in a shared taxi to go to the train station. This is actually so good. I would recommend doing this because, as you guys just heard, the bus line is insane. Like, you're gonna be there forever. And honestly, I feel like if it's anything like the bus from the Paris airport that we took, it's gonna be packed and uncomfortable. So this is really nice. We made it on the train. And my head looks bigger than ever. Also, I don't want my elbow to touch the armrest, so it's in my shirt. Also, my clip-ins are in my head because it saves me space in my suitcase. Listen, I'm going through it with my personal item. It is huge, but the thing is, you get to overpack on airlines that don't weigh your baggage, which nowadays most airlines don't if you use online check-in, which we did. But French Bee is a wrap that makes you, even if you check in online, they make you weigh your baggage still. They like still come to the gate. I gotta figure out if you can just skip that email. Like, what if I didn't see that email and I just went to the gate? But you know, you live in your life. And it's been the only one we've had to pay for. Everything else we haven't had to pay for. Also, guys, these are the sunglasses I got in H&M. When people ask me, oh gosh, where are your sunnies from? Oh, Paris. H&M, but you know, Paris. H&M in Paris. Like, stuff. Maybe it's online in the US too. I'll see if I can link it. So how are we liking the vlogs, guys? Am I still good at vlogging? I feel like low-key I forgot how to vlog. You look long. Oh, did you guys see it? Oh my god. Did you guys see Anna's outfit? We have the same pink top. It's pink with lace and it's from Loft. I don't know, I have the same one and this rat didn't tell me she was bringing hers. So, no you didn't. Otherwise, I could have worn it too to the airport. But instead, I wore it to my hair appointment because I didn't think you were going to bring it.
You saw the little band.
Yeah, but then we started taking stuff. Lookbook. Yeah, outfit planner, lookbook. Guys, with these sunglasses, I feel like a CEO. Like, I feel like I should be in a meeting room. This isn't gonna work. Okay, so listen guys, the plan is we're gonna go to Salerno. We're on the train to Salerno right now, and then we're gonna take the ferry to Positano because we found this like woman on TikTok that gives always all this advice about Positano. Personally, I think for my taste, she swears by taking the train to Salerno and then the ferry to Positano. For me personally, I think this is a bit much. I didn't realize that the ferry from Naples to Positano is just 2 hours, and the train from Naples to Salerno is 40 minutes, so let's just say an hour, and then the ferry from Salerno to Positano is over an hour. So you might as well just stay on one mode of transportation and just take the ferry, and it's the same price as this train specifically. There is a cheaper train, but then either way you're still gonna end up paying like another $40 for the ferry from Salerno to Positano. So math is not math, you know. You guys want to see my kittens? Nope. Don't mind the blend. Maybe you guys don't need to see my kittens right now. It looks better behind me. You guys, I can't even begin to tell you the day we've had. So after the train, everything, I think the last time I vlogged was the train, Nana. Everything just went, not downhill, but like everything got intense. We landed in the port of Positano, right? And we thought that like, we looked at the Google Maps and stuff and it looked like a really easy walk from the port to our hotel. But it in fact, I guess was not. There are so many services to take your bag up the hill. And we kept denying because we thought it was going to be short, blah, blah, blah. And then finally somebody gives us advice because we're also confused on the maps how to get to the road that we were trying to get to, right? But then somebody gives us advice, 2 people give us advice on how to get to our hotel. And so we were walking for an hour with our suitcases, you guys. And in 1 hour we were walking. And we also haven't eaten the whole day because we slept through our alarm to go to the airport. So we were rushing with wake up and rush to go to the airport. Even though we're actually so fine. Remember, we weren't late at all. But we didn't know that, so we obviously had to rush. So this is the first time we're eating. We're at this restaurant called, is it called Next To? It's just like down the hill from our hotel. But you guys, I didn't know when they said Positano is all hills. You guys, my voice is, I can't even, my voice keeps breaking. But when they said Positano is all hills, when they said Positano is all hills, though, Positano is all hills. Wow, it's not a joke. I thought also Mumsy gets here tomorrow. It's actually day after tomorrow, which thank God, because I thought we're gonna go pick her up, right? So I thought we'd be going back to the airport tomorrow. It's just a lot, but yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can I take a photo?
That's cute. Okay, cheers.
I'm confused. Okay, this one?
How are you so chill right now? This is
sweets.
First full day in Positano. This is my outfit. I have shorts under from ASOS. My dress is from Pepper Mayo. Nana's legs are weak. I can see them touching. You guys, after the long journey, we're finally eating. We got this toast called Soleil toast, and we got French toast, and then we got pina coladas. Listen, guys, one thing about Nana and I, one thing will always be first and foremost in life, it's finessers that get what we want. Okay, so listen.
Very cute and professional.
No, very, very respectful about it, but you just gotta say your piece. You know what I mean? We're very much not the ones that are gonna stay silent when we're not happy. You know, we'll let you know kindly. So, anyways, our first hotel. If you're wondering why you didn't get a room tour, is because we were a little bit catfished, and so we were like, hey, we don't even want to cancel the whole thing for a refund. We just wanted 1 day back, and they were like, it's not possible because we paid in full, right? So we were like, okay, well, you know, Expedia said it's possible, it's just up to you guys. And they were like, no, but come see our other hotel, like our main hotel property, and see if you'd want to stay here instead. This is their main hotel, you guys. We were like, wait, first let me tell them. We were like, no, we just want the 1 day back. We just want the 1 day back so that we could go to Rome early. No, it's right there, and it doesn't go this direction.
No, but it's right here.
Yeah. But so, you know, we were so adamant about wanting the 1 day back, and they're like, no, just come see it. And we're like, okay, how about this? We'll come see it, but if not, just give us, you know, a refund for 1 day so that we can go to Rome early. And they were like, you can leave, but you're not gonna get a refund, so just come see the hotel. And so we were like, let's just go see the hotel. Guys, the hotel, gorgissima. Okay, that is what we thought this hotel was gonna give. It is so stunning, but we had to play it cool. We were like, it was gorgeous. Okay, the terrace goes crazy. Like, I'm so excited. So excited. So now we're going to our first hotel to pack up the hotel and go to the new hotel. Where are you going? Oh my God.
December, January, February, the plant just sustained itself. So it goes a long way also to get to the olive oil, and that's also why. Other things that items. Gonna slice the peppers and put it once again with garlic and olive oil. Guys, if you wanna cook some Italian dish, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, you're good to go, okay? And some logo. Countries that they call the second cups. In Italian pepper. kind like that. Over here.
Yeah.
Gonna cut the bread. So we take off the heel. We call it culetto. A little bump.
Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna slice the bread. Just small slices, not too thick, not too thin.
Okay.
Something like this. Okay, you put everything back in the basket. And then after you can assist Ivy, right? With the rest of the tomatoes. Okay.
Okay. Grazie.
The carton yogurt.
After you can put all in there.
Okay.
You have somebody that you
Italian pinch. More.
Okay.
Trust, in Italy be generous. Yeah. Always. More. Oh, nice. Okay, good.
So that's the Italian pinch.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
No, Italian pinch is like this. Don't worry, I stop you. Go. And this is the Italian touch. Only with the pepper dance. La 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 la. Uh-oh, it's your turn. More pressure. More energy, more passion, more power. Much pressure. Salute!
Small salt? Okay.
It's a lot of tomato. More. Trust me.
Look at our work. Okay.
So cute.
I'm like barely getting anything.
I know. No, you're doing good.
The case for this part, two main reasons. Once again, it's not gonna be gluten free anymore, so we come and in we go. Okay, you see how it pops up straight away? Means the oil is at the right temperature. Just a few. It's an insulator, so you can use granite, you can use marble in the flour. Where are we gonna cook the gnocchi, guys? There we go. A little bit of the water goes in, guys. We go with this movement. This is called mantecare, okay? Fire off, very important, guys. Cheese. A little garnish. And
Thank you.
I like it.
It's good?
more, guys. It's very good. The bottle is here.
Beautiful handwriting.
Oh. Nana and I decided to do a nighttime run to get some gelato. It's just me and Nana. Mommy's at home waiting for her donut. She said she doesn't want, but we obviously know that she wants. But so we're on the bus. We didn't have enough money, but literally everybody here is so sweet. So he's still driving us to the ice cream shop. But we're gonna get some gelato and we're gonna get 2 donuts. Oh wait, 3 donuts and 2 gelatos. Okay, we got the ice cream and now we have to walk back to give Momsy her donuts. And then I also got, well, 1 donut. There's only 1 donut left. Also, we got a canola to share. You guys, this view is insane. This was such a fun night run. Me too. Okay, ready? Cheers. Cheers. Oh, it's good. That's good. Look at this view. How many times have I said, look at this view? Okay. Goodbye to this beautiful view and beautiful hotel room. We are checking out right now. I accidentally ordered the biggest Uber. We made it to our hotel in Rome. We're staying at the Waldorf Astoria. This is the closet. Over here is the little mini bar. Is that what it's called? Yes. And then you walk in and there's this table area and a mirror, TV, the couch. There's these frames and a place for suitcases. And then this is the bedroom area. There's also like a second tiny bed. Okay, my camera died, but this is the balcony. I don't feel like opening the door. This is the bed, storage, another suitcase stand. And then this is the bathroom. There's a tub, the mirror, And then the shower, towel rack, robes. Oh, need a third robe. And then the toilet. You guys, and then we have access to, I guess, the lounge, which is on the 7th floor. Breakfast is there and also on the main floor. I've been traveling all day because our train kept getting canceled and delayed. Oh, I was like, what is that? Lamp and mirror. Cute. So yeah, now I'm gonna shower and go to sleep. Maybe have something to eat. I'm not really that hungry, but we'll see. Also, my set is from For Love and Lemons. Ready? I don't think it always is big. I've never done that before.
Boteca.
Boteca.
How do you pronounce it?
Do you think I can get a free cup? Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. This is actually really good. Peach. Club having some snacks, but we've turned it into our lunch. I have tuna sandwiches and then these dumplings and then a pizza. Don't know what that is. Cheese, corn nuts, chips, donuts. And then I have some apple juice. Mom picked orange, Nana picked peaches.